I'm John Hanna, and here are the CDTV.net dividend report for Tuesday, February 3rd, 2009. But first, here's today's CDTV.net top stories. Anadarko Petroleum Corporation announced net income available to common stockholders totaled $3.29 billion or $7.05 per share diluted for the year ended December 31st, 2008. Income from continuing operations for the year totaled $3.24 billion or $6.92 per share diluted. Anadarko Chairman and CEO Jim Hackett said, "We consistently met or surpassed our operating objectives in 2008, demonstrating the resiliency and quality of our asset portfolio." Jim Hackett added, "We exceeded our guidance for organic reserve adds and production replacements, while also overcoming an approximate 13 million barrel production impact from hurricanes and third-party interruptions to achieve our production targets for the quarter and the year." Aflac reported total revenues benefited from the strengthening of the yen to the dollar in the fourth quarter, rising 6% to $4.3 billion, compared with $4 billion in the fourth quarter of 2007. Net earnings were $197 million, or 42 cents per diluted share, compared with $382 million or 78 cents per share a year ago. For the full year of 2008, results also benefited from the stronger yen-to-dollar exchange rate compared with 2007. Total revenues were $16.6 billion, an increase of 7.5% over 2007. Net earnings were $1.3 billion or $2.62 per diluted share, compared with $1.6 billion or $3.31 per share in 2007. The decline in net earnings for the full year was attributable to realized investment losses. Commenting on the company's fourth quarter and full year results, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer Daniel P. Amos stated, "Overall, I am pleased with our financial results and our accomplishments in 2008. It certainly proved to be a more challenging year than we anticipated due to continued economic deterioration. Even though we did not meet our annual sales objectives for Aflac Japan or Aflac USA in 2008, we continued to build on strong foundations of our insurance operations." And now, the dividend report. Noble Energy Incorporated Board of Directors declared a quarterly cash dividend of 18 cents per common share payable February 23rd to shareholders of record on February 9, 2009. Noble Energy is a leading independent energy company engaged in worldwide oil and gas exploration and production. Rollins Incorporated announced that the Board of Directors approved a 12% increase in the company's quarterly dividend. The increased regular quarterly dividend of 7 cents per share will be payable March 10 to stockholders of record at the close of business February 10, 2009. This marks the 7th consecutive year the board has increased its dividend a minimum of 12% or greater. Rollins Incorporated is a premier North American consumer and commercial services company. Calamos Asset Management Incorporated declared a regular quarterly dividend of 5.5 cents per share payable on February 25th to shareholders of record on February 10, 2009. Calamos Asset Management Incorporated is a diversified investment firm. STMicroelectronics declared a dividend of 9 cents for the first quarter 2009. The ex-dividend date is February 23rd, 2009, and the dividend is planned to be paid on or after this date. STMicroelectronics is a global leader in developing and delivering semiconductor solutions across the spectrum of microelectronics applications. The Board of Directors of CMS Energy increased the quarterly dividend on the company's common stock by 40% to 12.5 cents per share, up from 9 cents per share. The first quarter dividend is payable February 27 to shareholders of record on February 6, 2009. CMS Energy is a Michigan-based company that has an electric and natural gas utility. For more information about these dividends and other announcements, go to cdtv.net.